Hey, what's going on? It's JDM, Jason Dowty Music. Welcome to Producing for Free. I'm excited that you're taking this course. I just wanted to run through a couple things so you know how to get the most out of this course. So this course was designed for somebody who has very little to no experience with FL Studio. If that's not you, you're like, you know what, Jason, I am pretty much an expert at FL Studio, or I'm pretty advanced. You might want to take my Producing for Artists course, where it takes a deeper dive into, a lot more, right? But if you're new to music production and you just want to get your hands dirty, get your feet wet, I don't know what you call it, dip your toe in the pool, and go in and give it a shot, this will get you producing a professional sounding track in less than 2 hours, just using the basic version of FL Studio and some free stuff you can find on the internet. There's a couple of other things that come with this course. So I have a Vox City one-shot pack. So all that is basically I went into FL Studio, I recorded my own voice, I ran it through Waves Ovox, which is like a vocoder type plugin, and created all of these sounds, bass sounds, pad sounds, keys, all of that kind of stuff. So it's something that might give you something unique to your sound. And then also I've included a Get Your First Sync Placements guide. So if you get into music production, or maybe you're an artist and you already have some high quality songs and you want to know how to get that into TV and film, this guide will show you your first steps so you can go down that journey. And then also I've included a step-by-step guide where it'll give you the, everything that you need, all the downloads, all the links, the step-by-step in case you can't get back to this video and you just want to have it written down. Some people learn better that way. I've included that as well. Now, where do you find this stuff? Just go to the description of this video and I put a link. It just says resources and there's a link there. Just go to that link and you can download all of this as well. All right, cool. So I hope you enjoy this course. There's a lot of great modules. Leave some comments if you do. If you want to learn more about FL Studio or how to get into sync licensing, please subscribe, to the channel. I post content every week on how my journey's going. So far, I've had 65 placements in, on television shows like Dateline NBC, Top Chef VIP, The Today Show, and some others. So far it's been going really well. And I'm giving you all the backstory of, all the lessons I've learned, all the strategies I've created, systems, all of that. So if you're interested in that stuff, be sure to subscribe as well. All right, enjoy the course.